Let's take a look at the top headlines first. Armed Kuki militants dismantle MMI complex at Lamdan. Women vendors drive against shopkeepers' price hike. Congress will play a major role to restore peace in Manipur, says AICC General Secretary Mukul Wasnik. Congress decides to appoint 75-year-old Siddharamaiah as Chief Minister of Karnataka. And curfew relaxed in Imphal from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. Hello and good evening. Welcome to ELITETV Primetime English News at 6. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. On behalf of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, MMTA, President of MMTA has sent a request to several departments of the state, including the DC Bishnupur District, Secretary to CM Manipur, Security Advisor to Government of Manipur, etc. for protection of Manipur Mountaineering Institute Complex, MMI, Lamdan in Henglep subdivision of Churachandpur District. In the letter addressed to various departments, President of MMTA stated that according to reliable sources, the one and only pioneering adventure mountaineering institute known as Manipur Mountaineering Institute Complex MMI, located at Lamdan Kapoi village along the road of Laimatak Powerhouse, was dismantled by an armed group of Kukis on the night of 18th May 2023. The site was developed as the Adventure Tourism Complex by the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, comprising an area of 80 acres approximately. The said site has more than approximately 30 crore rupees worth assets, including land value with the mountaineering and adventure equipments. MMI is an important institute of the northeastern region and has already produced many mountaineers who have scaled the Mount Everest, including Padma Shri G. Anita and Anshu Jamsenpa Arjun awardee of Arunachal Pradesh. In 2013, the first Northeast Mount Everest expedition was also led by MMTA and MMI, and Namairakpam Chingkainganba was recorded as the youngest to scale the Mount Everest from India. Hence, it is imperative to protect the assets and activities of such an important institute of the state, it said. In relation to the recently erupted violent communal clash in Manipur, the unfounded rise in price of essential commodities by shopkeepers has been highly condemned by the women vendors of Imakaithel, and they went on a drive to check the shops in the areas around Imakaithel. They've stated that they disapprove taking advantage of the situation and hiking the price of essential commodities when people in the state are suffering hardships as a consequence of the violent communal clash. They have asked all shopkeepers to put up a price list and to take onus of their actions in case they've been found to increase. They also stated that since the government has failed to act, it is time the women vendors will take up action against the current situation.
ani ki marak ta thokla iba lan sida sigi marak sida asuki matik yum mai chak ba leibham lai ta dana chena dana sigi marak sida leibham lai tra kan sida amuk dukan singda yoli ba pochai ki maman se asuki matik hengat khre aduna mase ekoi nupi ama oina ekoi de jakhum bubing atani na mase ekoi yengduna leiba ngamaroi ekoi haugalani hojik aduna dukan singda chalaga mana yoli ba poching ado adugi mamando dukan mamang da thelu madu kari gumba ekoina yengsin ba khongchat che ekoina drive asida moi bu kai mathelam da bata taragadi natraga poche gi maman hengalam ba thengnaragadi madu afaba oiroi phammi ba dukan masa duna daita pugadabani hojik asukwa ba manipur government na hojik MLA humbu na lauri ba makoi gi warep ekoi yaning de masi makoi na hojik ki matam siga chuna de aduna ekoi hojik makoi da haija bagi matam hele makoi wam ta ngang dra banina ekoi dharana phamba gi darkar leitre akoi darkar akoi hojik phammaroi dharana ekoi haugalani ekoi nupi mayam haugalaga hojik ti ekoi khangche chelani ekoi ahum suban nupi la na haurani akoi punma launi haurani aduna ekoi hojik ahum suban lando akoi dharana phamba gi mathau ta de india government na hojik thugai na basiliba suku ki militant sing sijinaraga manipur thugai na basiliba ase suku ki militant sing thugai na basili duki mayokta ekoi punma lepani aduna ekoi lan yaurani haibase ekoi gi warep ni masi.
General Secretary of All India Congress Committee AICC, Mukul Vasnik, has said that all effort will put to restore normalcy in Manipur. He said this during a press meet held at Congress Bhavan today. The press meet was attended by AICC members Bhakta Charan Das, Ajay Kumar, MPCC President K. Meghachandra, CLP leader O. Ibobi, and many other leaders of the party. Mukul Vasnik further said at the moment Manipur is burning. However, not a single word has come from both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. In the past, there were frequent visits of ministers in Manipur when BJP government came to power. Houses, churches and many properties have been damaged and destroyed, but the government has remained a silent spectator. The Congress doesn't want to politicize on the issue. He also mentioned that yesterday a fact-finding team of Congress party had met the governor of Manipur and explained the situation in detail. Though the present government of Manipur remains silent, the Congress party will put all efforts on to bring peace and tranquility in the state, he added.
Arms and ammunition, the way it was looted, more than 1,000 guns, more than 6,000, 7,000 rounds, they were looted, and the recovery is far less. Weapons are there in the hands of a large number of people. Situation is still extremely tense. Government is seen to be wanting to restore normalcy. We don't see any efforts in bringing back peace and harmony. Large number of places of worship. Figures start from 150 to almost 300. Churches have been burned down, demolished, destroyed, vandalized. A few temples have also been destroyed. Such things have not happened in independent India anywhere. The number is too big. In this unfortunate situation, the Prime Minister is silent. Not a word from the Prime Minister. The Home Minister, whose responsibility is to see that constitutional values are upheld, the duties are performed according to the provisions of the Constitution. Nothing, not a word from the Home Minister. Earlier, every now and then, the union ministers were visiting Manipur. Maybe one every week. That was a PR exercise. But since the 3rd of May, when this unfortunate situation has happened, not a single minister has come to Manipur. Manipur is burning. And like it is said that when Rome was burning, the emperor was playing with fiddle. So we are extremely concerned. We don't want to politicize this situation. Every community has a stake in peace in Manipur. If peace is restored, every community will be able to flourish. Today, government employees belonging to different communities find difficult to perform their duties because some community employee feel that if I go to that place, I may not be safe. So this is the type of situation, and we are here to appeal to all sections to restore peace. We are here to assure that every possible cooperation from the Congress party will be there to provide normalcy in the state of Manipur.
In the recently erupted violent communal clash that took place between two communities of Manipur, the Office of Core Composite Project of Prevention of HIV and AIDS in Churchandpur was set on fire by miscreants on May 4th and 5th. On May 17th, another office of the project was destroyed, wherein expensive equipment have been looted and important paperwork and documents were destroyed. Mac's partner NGO Forum MPNF President Vikram Nepram condemned this unfortunate occurrence. He communicated this at the press meet held at their office at Chingamakha. He stated that HIV and AIDS does not distinguish between communities and it can infect anyone, and destroying the office and causing obstruction to the work of people working day and night to help HIV and AIDS patients is unacceptable. Mac's partner NGO Forum MPNF has appealed not to repeat such acts and also put a request to the concerned department to provide adequate security to prevent such incidents in the future.
Core Composite Project amagi office May Chechat Mari Amsung Mangada, May Taduna Mata, Thonkiba, Matunda, Megi Chechat Talatret Kahana, Higher Project Asi Maki, a top office, Amagasu, Tugaiduna, Maroi, Chechankea, Manta Alamba, Tanatana, Mamalian Lava Pochekea, Kudaman Harvada, laptop, desktop computer, printer, gas cylinder amasung office ki furniture na chingba food na puwikhre asigumba miyoi bagi haksel ki lamda thabak toriba hospital amadi mari lenaba institution sing asi malem gi oina lan gi matam phawda ayet papinade hariba matakta pankriba tamthiraba thawong asina manipur da HIV AIDS thingnabi damakta changsan lakliba thabak sing da chawna ayet papiri Asuguma thawong asibu makes partner NGO Forum na hakchinna yaningda phungdukchari HIV and AIDS hariba asi phuruk kanglup khaiba laina amanatte maramasina marilenaba khudingmakta asigumba thawong sing asi tung tarakpada tohon bidanaba makes partner NGO Forum gi makidi na haise.
In a midnight breakthrough to the stalemate over the top job in Karnataka, Congress has decided to appoint 75-year-old Siddaramaiah as Chief Minister and DK Shivakumar as his deputy in the southern state. The oath-taking ceremony is to take place in Bengaluru on May 20th. The formula was arrived at about 2 a.m. in Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. This followed tense negotiations between Shivakumar, who was not ready to stand down, and the party high command, among whom Sonia Gandhi is believed to have played a crucial role in turning him around. Announcing the decision, senior Congress leader K.C. Venugopal said, after taking the opinion of the MLAs and consultations with Sonia and Rahul, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has decided that Siddaramaiah will be Chief Minister of Karnataka. DK Shivakumar will be the Deputy Chief Minister. He will be the only Deputy CM. Karnataka CM designate Siddaramaiah and his deputy to be DK Shivakumar led a Congress delegation late on Thursday and met Governor Thawar Chand Gehlot to stake claim to form the next government. This came after the Congress Legislative Party formally elected Siddaramaiah as its leader. The governor accepted their claim and invited them to take oath on Saturday, May 20th. Shivakumar moved the proposal to elect Siddaramaiah as the legislative party leader after the commencement of the meeting, and it was supported by all the 135 MLAs. Senior leaders including Party President Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Chief Ministers of the Congress-ruled states are expected to attend the oath-taking ceremony. The Congress has also invited like-minded parties and their leaders, including Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, Telangana Chief Minister Chandrasekhar Rao, West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee, Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik to the swearing-in. Invitation has also been extended to several other opposition leaders, including Sitaram Yechuri, Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, Farooq Abdullah and Akhilesh Yadav. In support of the call given by Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity (COCOMI) for mass democratic protests to condemn activities of Kuki Sioux outfits and oppose the demand for separate administration of Kuki tribes, mass sit-in protests were held in different places of Manipur on Thursday. Speaking in this regard, Kokomi member CH Romeo conveyed that they want peace and not chaos, but will never remain idle if attempts are made to disintegrate the unity of Manipur, and also asked why the 10 Kuki MLAs have not been disqualified till now. District magistrates of different districts have relaxed curfew imposed up under CRPC 144 today in view of the improvement in law and order situation across the state. The curfew currently imposed in Imphal East and Imphal West districts has been relaxed from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. Many people came out to purchase essential items during the curfew relaxation. Moreover, many vehicles were also seen plying on the road. 4 BJP MLAs who earlier resigned from their respective administrative posts in order to register their dissent against Chief Minister N. Biren have also joined the team of 34 non-Kuki MLAs in demanding non-extension of suspension of Operation Sioux agreement signed with Kuki militants. In a joint memorandum submitted to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Langtabal MLA Karam Sham, Hairok MLA T.H. Radhesham, Wangjing Tentha MLA Paunam Brojain and Uripok MLA K.H. Raghumani said that they were never informed about the meeting and signature campaign of MLAs regarding non-extension of Sioux agreement with Kuki militants. They said they too share the same opinion with the people of Manipur regarding the demand for non-extension of Sioux agreement with the Kuki militants, as this may challenge the unity and integrity of Manipur, stated the memorandum, while seeking constant intervention by the Union Home Minister to restore peace and normalcy in the state at the earliest. Copies of the memorandum were forwarded to the Governor, Chief Secretary and Security Advisor to the Government of Manipur. The United Naga Council UNC on Tuesday held a consultative meeting with Naga leaders from Manipur amid the ongoing ethnic clashes in the state that has led to loss of lives and properties. According to reliable sources, around 300 Naga leaders, including intellectuals and representatives from various civil societies of organizations and stakeholders, gathered at TNK Hall at Tahazan, Senapati district on Tuesday. No concrete solution or resolution was taken by the members present in the meeting, but the final resolution will be taken during the UNC's presidential meet, which will be held soon. Meanwhile, a 9-member peace committee had been constituted under the UNC to initiate and uphold peace in the state amid ethnic and communal violence. Former UNC President Ko John, a co-convener of Peace Committee, stated that they met Kokomi on May 10th and conveyed to the valley-based apex body to restore peace in the state. He stated that there should be a dialogue to bring a mutual understanding between the two communities. He further stated that he called on the Governor of Manipur, Anusuya Uiki, and Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh and appealed to them to deploy central security forces, especially along the national highways and vulnerable areas, like the foothills and bordering areas of the two communities. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Babina Diagnostics Manipurda ihan hanba oina ingsok lisingamaga chamapal marifuhumdoida linkhatki. Masina awang nungpok Bharatda yamna pak chawna miyoibagi ana layengda darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyengsing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigations su maipakna pangthokli. Wana honajaba miyoibagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba asi sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, luinana, hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi, clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO School Channel Imphal East. an exclusive co-educational residential school located on a sprawling 50 acres campus just 24 kilometers away from Imphal city. The school will be affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Academic session will begin on 1st April 2023 for classes 4 to 8. Registration commencement open for 2023 and 24 session.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. The recent safe return of 124 displaced civilians to Moreh, facilitated by Assam Rifles, has been further escorted to their native villages in Imphal successfully. This effort, supported by local community leaders, civil administration, marks a significant step towards normalcy and hope in the region, as the affected individuals now have the opportunity to rebuild their lives and foster inter-community harmony. Assam Rifles played a crucial role in ensuring the safe return of these displaced individuals. They provided essential relief assistance, including food, shelter and medical aid, while also ensuring their security and escorting them safely to Imphal. The return of displaced Indians is a positive sign of healing and progress. The unwavering dedication of Assam Rifles has significantly contributed to the normalization of the situation in the region as they work towards rebuilding trust and fostering unity among the local populace. Assam Rifles extended medical assistance to the remote villages requiring medical aid and provided daily essential items and water to various relief camps during the ongoing crisis in the state of Manipur. A number of rescue operations were conducted and medical assistance was organized to provide health assistance, checkup and treatment to the unattended patients from remote villages of New Kathilmanbi. The displaced civilians in relief camps at Personmun, Gangi Mual, Compound Veng and M. Songel were provided with daily essential items, medical aid and water. Medical team also conducted lecture to civilians wherein personal hygiene and stress management issues were addressed. The villagers appreciated and extended their gratitude towards the initiative taken by Assam Rifles for the welfare of patients who were unable to visit and purchase the medicines. PM Narendra Modi on Friday left for Japan to attend the G7 summit scheduled to be held from May 19 to 21st in Hiroshima. A video has surfaced online showing PM Modi boarding a plane for Japan. After his trip to Japan, PM Modi will visit Papua New Guinea and Australia. He'll reportedly have more than 40 engagements during his three-nation tour. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud on Friday administered the oath of office to Senior Advocate K.V. Vishwanathan and Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra as Supreme Court judges. With the two new appointments, SC will function at its total strength of 34 judges. Vishwanathan is in line to become CJI from August 12, 2030 to May 25, 2031. A 59-year-old Indian climber aiming to set a new world record of becoming Asia's first woman on a pacemaker to scale Mount Everest died after falling sick at the base camp. Suzanne Leopoldina Jesus, who was admitted to a hospital, was asked to abandon the attempt after failing to maintain normal speed during the acclimatization exercise at the base camp. And now in sports. Rafael Nadal has decided not to take part in the French Open due to injury and will not be defending his title at Roland Garros. This is the first time since the Spaniard sealed the first of the French Open titles in 2005 that Nadal will not be playing the Grand Slam this year. On Thursday, in a news conference at his tennis academy in Mallorca, Nadal also stated that 2024 will be his last in professional tennis. The 36-year-old legend has not played ever since he sustained a hip injury in January during his second-round loss at the Australian Open against Mackenzie McDonald. Talking about last year's French Open, he came out of a niggling foot injury and defeated Casper Ruud and became the oldest champion in tournament history. Nadal also talked about his plan, which is to give his body some time to recuperate, and also admitted that it can take up to 3 months, and as a result, it will rule him out from this year's Wimbledon. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 940-289-0982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now, before we wind up, let's take a look at the top headlines once again. Armed Kuki militants dismantle MMI complex at Lamdan. Women vendors drive against shopkeepers' price hike. Congress will play major role to restore peace in Manipur, says AICC General Secretary Mukul Wasnik. Congress decides to appoint 75-year-old Siddaramaiah as Chief Minister of Karnataka. And curfew relaxed in Imphal from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.